Hey, what's up you guys, Fezor here, welcome to another video tutorial. I know it's been a long time I didn't record any tutorial because of my lessons, but I'm here with another tutorial. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a real nice mascot or text styled logo. You can use it on your banner designs, logos, or for your team logo, or whatever you want. It depends on you. Okay, let's jump in the tutorial, but before I'm going to start this tutorial I need to show example first. Okay, as you can see, here we're gonna learning how to create this thing right there, and you can download font from my description, or you can use whatever font you like. Okay, let's hide this one and get started. Just make a new project, or you can add your Twitter header like I use. Okay, let's start with adding some text. Just select your text tool and write your text. I'm going to write Mascot designs. Just write your first text and press Ctrl J, duplicate it, and write your second text like that. It's very simple. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to duplicate this two text, pressing Ctrl J, and select this copy once and press Ctrl E on your keyboard, and just hide this text for now. I'm going to use this design copy one and make a new layer bottom of this copy and name it text background. And while selecting this text background, just hold Ctrl and select your move tool. Just move your cursor on this design copy thumbnail and you will see this icon right there, this rectangle one. Just click on this thumbnail, and while selecting this text background, just go to select, modify, and expand, and make sure you expand by 8 pixels. Just click OK, and for your foreground color, just select this code right there, click OK, and press Alt and backspace, Alt plus backspace on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl D for deselect. I'm going to uncheck this background so you can see the background of this text easily. Just zoom a little bit and select your brush tool. Just fill these letters with the same color, just like that. It's very simple. And make sure the foreground color is the same with this text background. You can use whatever color you want, but I prefer use this dark gray in this tutorial. Here we go. Looks good. Now I'm going to make a new layer top of this text background. Select your pen tool. I'm starting from this E letter. Just make a point here and make another point from here and drag it just like that. You can hold Ctrl, and as you can see it's turned to cursor. Just hold Ctrl and you can select this point and you can drag it where you want, just like that. Oops. Then hold Alt on your keyboard and move your cursor on this point. Just click on it and make another point from here and drag it just like that. Looks cool. And finish this shape and right click on it. When you finish this shape, just right click on it and click fill path and go to the content, select color, and make sure you selected the same color with this text background. You can copy this code, click OK, and right click on this, click delete path or press delete key on your keyboard, and you will get this nice shape look like this one. You can press Control Alt Z on your keyboard so you can edit the point just like that, and do the same thing. Here we go. Now I'm going to add another shape top of this text. I'm going to start from this T letter. I'm going to make a new layer first. Just start from there. And I'm going to make a new point from here. Just like that. Just hold your Alt and move your cursor on this point and you will see this icon right there. Just click on it and make another point from here. Looks good. And finish this line. Just like that. Then right click on it, fill path, and do the same thing. It looks really cool, like this one. Okay, now I'm going to add some layer style on this text background and also for text. Okay, let's get started. First I'm going to delete this design copy one. I don't need this anymore. Just check this mascot and design text and open this. Before I'm going to add the layer style, just select this tree text background and press Ctrl E. It's the merge shortcut, or you can right click on it and click merge layers and name it text background. Now open the layer style, then go to stroke and change the size 3 pixels, and for the color select whatever color you want. I'm going to select orange color. This looks great. And change the position from inside to outside, just like that. Now I'm going to check this background so you can see the background of this text properly. Now open the text background layer style, go to the bevel and emboss and change the depths, leave it 100% and change the size from all the way up, just like that, and make the dark black one opacity 0 and white one make it 15. Looks great. You can play around this opacity if you want. I'm going to select 15, just like that. Now I'm done with this layer style. Now I'm going to open the text layer style. Just open the mascot one first and go to gradient overlay. Open the gradient, make sure the style is linear and angle is 90 degree. Just open the gradient and make the first color full white and make a point in the middle. Make sure the location is 15%, 50%. Double click on it and make it a little bit gray color. And for the second color I'm going to use full white. Click OK. Now open the inner glow. Make sure the blending mode is green and white color is white. Make sure the opacity is 75 and change the size from 7 to 8 pixel, just like that. It's give a real nice metallic effect, as you can see. Now check satin and change the blending mode from multiply to color burn and opacity from 15% to 20%. It's work real nice. Then click drop shadow, change the opacity 15% and size, let me see, 5 looks good. Just leave it 5. And last thing we are going to do in this layer style, go to bevel and emboss and go to the depths all the way up. And for the size, as you can see, it's merged right there. The black and white color merge in size 16, as you can see. I'm going to select 16 pixel and make the black one opacity 5 and leave the white one opacity 15%. It's give you a real nice effect, as you can see. You can play around this opacity if you want. You can increase the black one a little bit if you want, but I leave it 5%. Click OK, and here we're done with this mascot text. Just right click on this one and click copy layer style and paste it on this design. And I'm going to use the different color in this design text. Just open it, don't touch anything, just open the gradient overlay, open the gradient and change the first color light orange. First one, just select orange. Second color, just select little bit dark orange. And for the third color, I'm going to select light orange. You can change color from adding some color correction on it, like hue saturation. Color is not important. Just select this one. As you can see, it looks really nice. Just click OK, and here we have a really nice text styled logo like this one. But I'm going to add 3D edge on this logo and some lighting effect, as you can see, and reflection on it. So let's uncheck this and make a new layer bottom of this text background. Not a new layer, just copy this text background and right click on it on the copy one and clear layer style and move it bottom of this text background, and using your down key on your keyboard, just make it a little bit down from the text background, just like that, and open the layer style, go to color overlay, and I'm going to select this color. Works great. Click OK, And before I'm going to add some effects on it, just zoom in a little bit and select your pen tool and complete this edge just like that. Using your pen tool, click fill path, select the same color with this one, and do the same here. It's done, I think. Okay, here we go. Just open the layer style, and I'm going to, before adding this drop shadow, I'm going to make it restore as layer style and make a new layer bottom top of this text background copy. And I'm going to name it 3D edge, and just select your layer 1, new layer, hold Alt on your keyboard and move your cursor between this layer 1 and 3D edge, and you will see this icon right there. Just click on it, or if you can't, just select layer 1 and click on this add layer mask, not the add layer mask, just right click on this layer 1 and click create clipping mask, just like that. And selecting your layer 1, I'm going to name it white light effect, and select your brush tool and make sure it's 100 pixel, and select foreground color white, and make sure you selected first brush, and make sure the hardness is 0%, and brush just like that. And I'm going to brush here, here, and here. Then lower the opacity a little bit, like 20, maybe 15. Just play around this opacity, and you can erase if you want, if you don't like the okay, this looks cool. Now I'm going to add the drop shadow. Just select drop shadow and make the opacity 50 and size from 5 pixel to 10 pixel. Looks great. Now I'm going to add the reflection on this logo, and make a new layer top of these layers and name it reflection, and select your pen tool and follow my steps. Just make a point right here, and as a point in the middle, hold shift and drag it just like that, and make another point here and complete the shape just like that. Right click on it, fill path, select the color full white, click OK, right click, delete path, and so while selecting this reflection, just hold Ctrl and click on this reflection thumbnail, and hold Ctrl Alt and move your cursor on this text background, and you will see this minus icon. As you can see, just click on it and press backspace on your keyboard few times, and press Ctrl D for deselect. Then while selecting this reflection, go to blending option and select overlay, change the opacity down about 20, and open the reflection layer style, go to drop shadow, change the opacity from 35% to 50, distance 20 pixel, don't touch speed, change the size from 5 pixel to 20, and as you can see, it looks really cool. It's give nice effect, nice reflection effect. Okay, now I'm going to add some lighting on this bottom of this logo, like this one. So just make a new layer top of this text background, and just right click on the text background and click rasterize layer style, and click on the layer 1 and name it orange light, and hold Alt on your keyboard and move your cursor between orange light and text background and click on this icon, or right click, create clipping mask. Selecting your brush tool, just make sure you select 200 pixel size and select the orange color, little bit light orange, and brush this area just like that. Looks really cool, as you can see. And lower down the opacity about maybe 20, looks great, as you can see. I'm going to increase this white light effect a little bit, like 25, looks good. Okay guys, here we have a really nice 3D text styled logo. It looks like this one, as you can see. It's really cool. You can make a really nice Mascot logo, text styled logo, so you can use it on your banner designs, logos, or for your team. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you don't already, and if you have trouble for this tutorial, just contact me on Skype or write the comment below if you don't understand something in this tutorial. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye.